Auric XL Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner, bagged professional pro grade, for carpet and hard floor. Microsweep lets you switch from carpet to bare floors without adjustment. Direct suction delivers dirt efficiently to maintain strong suction. High-speed roller brush spins at 5,000 to 6,500 RPMs for deep clean. Multi-surface design safely cleans carpet, wood, laminate and tile surfaces. Buy with confidence to guarantee an authorized purchase. Ensure your product ships from Amazon. Auric Commercial, Professional Upright Vacuum Cleaner, for carpet and hard floor. And Duralife Belt Advanced Circuitry protects long-lasting belt by shutting the motor off to avoid belt breakage. Powerful suction high-speed, balanced, double helix brushes that spins at a maximum of 6,500 RPMs. Multi-floor cleaning scatterguard squeegee allows scatter-free cleaning on all surfaces including carpet, wood, laminate and tile without manual changes to heights or settings. Hoover Commercial Task Vac Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Furniture Guard Lightweight HEPA Filtered Professional Grade Long-Lasting, Easy Change Brush Roll and Belt. Spend less time on maintenance. Flip 2 levers to change the belt or access the brush roll. Lightweight, weighs only 15 pounds to easily transport from room to room and up stairways. Bagless drastically reduce maintenance costs with 0 bags to buy. Long cord equipped with 35 feet 3-wire high visibility cord to move from room to room without the hassle of unplugging. Bissell Big Green Commercial Power Force Bagged Lightweight, Upright, Industrial, Vacuum Cleaner, GU 1451T, 13 cleaning path width, lightweight, 12 pounds. Includes a crevice tool, combination dusting brush / upholstery tool and extension wand. Attachment store in back of vacuum, 5 position height adjustment, 10 amp motor with 30 cord, 3-stage filtration system. Shark Rotator Professional Lift Away Upright Vacuum, NV501, renewed, dust cup capacity 1.3 quarts. Powerful upright vacuum with lift away pod for convenient cleaning of stairs and above floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology, HEPA, rotator technology, enhanced swivel steering and better deep carpet cleaning, lightweight and ultra quiet operation. Hose length, foot, 8.4, premium pet tools and ergo cleaning accessories. Hoover MaxLife Pro Pet Swivel Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, HEPA media filtration, perfect for pets. Multi-purpose pet tools tackle stubborn pet hair and dirt on furniture. stairs and hard to reach areas. Wattage 1320 watts, sealed allergen with HEPA media filtration, captures and contains 99 of particles with a filter to prevent them from re-entering the air. Powerful cleaning on all floors. Simply steer around furniture and into tight spaces on carpet and hard floors using the on-off brush roll to leave no mess behind. Shark Vertex Pro powered lift-away cordless vacuum with IQ display, duo clean power fins, powerful performance. The power and cleaning performance of a full-size vacuum, tested in boost mode versus ZU630. Now 25 lighter than Shark's leading upright, versus Shark Vertex AZ2000, up to 1 hour of runtime. Removable battery with up to 60 minutes of runtime, measured at the hand vac in eco mode.